This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your default web browser in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your default web browser in Windows 10, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner of my screen, down to the little start icon. I'm going to right-click on it. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up in the center pane, you want to go over to where it says Apps and click on Apps. Then on the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Default Apps and click on Default Apps. Then you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where it says Web Browser. As you can see, I currently have Google Chrome as my default web browser. You can click on it to change it. And in the drop-down, you can select a different web browser. I'm going to go with Firefox. That is how to change your default web browser in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.